Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an interesting geometry rights project on Scratch. So let's just not waste any more time. Hop into the video and start. So for today, the Scratch, you can see this. It's what do you call project? Some geometry rights known as and geometry rights. We're going to play this for you right now. Green flag. Okay, the basic thing is that we have three shapes. Whenever we click any of the name of the shape, it will create the same shape using the star as a pen. Star is our pen. All right. So first we're going to select square and see it's making a square shape. So geometry right. When we click on circle, it will create a circle. Okay. And when it's done, we can create on triangle. See, a perfect circle is made. Now for triangle, this one is it. Perfect. And what's in the next is that automatic line follower. What it does, it starts from here to the here and it follows the line exactly. It has remote control line follower on button. So we are going to put, yeah, exactly. This is what it's going to do. Remote control line follower. The star would be, on this position. And when we press that, it presses that. Perfect. And there's nothing for the next button. Anyways, this is a project and we are going to make today. So let's just start. And where is it? First, I'll have to sign in. Just give me some minutes. Okay, we are beginning to create our project. We're going to do the same. We're going to have so many sprites. Not so many. We're going to have buttons actually. For that, we are going to go and select shapes and sprites from here. We don't need this as usual. It always pops up, but we don't need. All we need first is our stage to be colored. We'll select the backdrop and we can select a blue sky just exactly the same way it was. Now, okay, remember the last one talked about this extension over here. Let me just erase it and move this a little bit if it can be. Okay, I think I'm unable to do so. Anyways, yeah, just do this one. Okay, fine. So first we're going to tell you that in an extension we have a pen. Since square shapes and circle and triangle were made using pen, so we are going to make sure we are having an extension. Draw with your sprites. See, so this is an extension pen, and we're going to use it. So we're going to take that. Okay, we do have all that. Okay, okay. All right. Let's go and grab our buttons, and we're going to select a button shape like square. Sorry, it doesn't have that. What we are going to do is yes, button. Okay, we have three buttons already. For circle, we are going to use this one, button one, and we can name it circle. Circle. Okay. Yeah, and we will write it in customize costumes. Over here, we can add some text. And we will write just believe enter and we'll write circle, or we can write it in short. We will just put it in the middle and our circle button is complete. Okay, We have customized it using our costume. Now it's next we are going to use another button, and we'll go back here and we have another button. We can either shape it later on in customization. You can just shape it. Okay, but right now I'm just gonna write the name first. Will be square. It will make a square. It doesn't need to be square. Okay. It doesn't need to be exactly the square. It's just a second. I needed to move a little bit. Okay. Yeah, that's better now. Okay. This is for our square button. Okay. And all right. We're done doing that. All right. Never mind. We can change the size and shape of it, but we're not doing it because there's no need. I'll put it over here. Okay, and code again. There's just no need to go this. We'll have another button. That would be a button 3. And oh, we forgot to name our button 2 over here square. Okay, okay. Let's spell that wrong. Yeah, that's better. Now, button 3, that would be our triangle. Let's name it first. And let's put it over here. Yes, much better. And over here in customization, we're just going to write with text. You can change another color or you can just saturate it a bit. You know, it's alright. Something with the text it was actually. Anyways, it's not needed much right now. We're going to enter a bit. Oh, that's too big. Okay, no problem. I'll just write a triangle. Uh, tri- triangle and yeah, we'll put it in the middle and that's better now. Okay, and we also need a button for our next. So we are going to add one more and we are going to have another button which can be button 4. Oh, where did it go? Oh yeah, perfect. And over here, it's alright, you can just use a stick mark as well or you can customize if you want. I'm just telling you, but it will be better if we next, next. And you can change the shape of it, or you can use the same circle you want it. Uh, or it's better if I change, a bit on this. Oh wow, looks nice. Let's just not use this one. How about if I just go back and get another button? That would be like same like this one, but we'll name it button. Let's name it next. Okay, and we'll put it over here. We can change the color and we can customize it using the text and write it next. Okay, and that's better. You can change the filling to any other. Just give it a blue tint. Same actually. It's not working. Okay. Sorry about that. just thinking to change the color. It's not doing anything right now. I don't know what I did here. Oh yeah, should do it. Okay, anything else? Oh wow, what I did. I have to control this. Okay, no problem. There's the text. I need to put in the color. Yeah, okay, that's better. At least the text have changed, and I've changed the color of this as well. A little. I changed the shade actually. Anyways, we're done with this one, and we're good to go to the code section. Now, what we have to do is just give me a moment. All right, we have all the buttons, and now we need a pen, right? So let's go back and get a pen. Our star shape was a pen, right? So what we are going to see, so we're going to just type a star over here and here. We're just gonna do that. We're going to see. Okay, no problem. We're just going to code part star for here, and I think we're done for this one. Yeah, the main thing is done. Okay, so let's add more of these. Why my screen is? Just give me a second. All right, so the video is playing, and I think I'm audible. Um, oh, why is it blacking out sometimes? That's just my laptop is going crazy, driving me crazy right now. I hope my voice is clear and better. Okay, let's just start with our next button coding. First, we're going to start the coding for pairs, or we should go with the circle or with the pen. Okay, let's do the coding for our pen. Actually, later on we have to add a few more things, which is was on the next screen. So let's do that, and let's go back because whew, this one's quite big coding. We need to explain in detail. Okay, so let me tell you what I did over here. For one by one, we have three shapes, as discussed earlier already. Three shapes. We have to make our pen run for all three shapes. So first, we are going to go in our events, and we are going to select when I receive. That would be a message one. If we call the circle a message one, okay. I'm just going to repeat for the three times. We can change the code, we can duplicate it as well, but let me just do that one for each, okay? Because one of the circle has a different dimension and different, what do you call it? Yeah, different coding for because of the size and shape it will run. Yes. After that, we are going to go in control, and we are going to stop other sprites, which should be here actually. No. Okay, it is another stop in control. Anyways, so yeah, in control we are going to use this one. We're going to we're not going to stop all. We're just going to select other scripts and sprite. When one shape is working, the other will not work. So same goes for here. Okay, and same with this one. I'm going to set all these exactly the same for all the shapes. Okay. Now, what we have to do is define our motion, right? So, what we're going to select is our x and y's, right? The size and dimension, x-axis and y-axis of positioning, which is exactly the positioning for all the, what do you call, yeah, shape, sorry. Okay, and these will all be different. For example, if we select, let's just select a circle first. Message to, okay. No, this, let's do it for, okay, let's do it for circle, okay. And our circle would have different dimensions, different border. That would be our minus 2 different sizes, and this would be defined as, for example, 40. You can set it, it's better to keep it like this, okay? It's for our circle. And then we will go further to this one. Let's, will be square, and the square would be for minus 92 by, we're going to have 30. Okay, that's fine. That's better, I think. I believe it's okay. It's better we can have this one. And for the last one, let's go with the 30 by 40. That's a triangle actually. Okay, so let's do this. We'll see it. We'll see what's good for us. Now we are going to use our pen, right? So our pen should be like erase all, and then we are going to use pen up because our pen, first we need to erase all. Why are we using erase all? Because if one shape is already made over here, we have to erase it in order to pursue with another one, right? So we will use the pen to erase all, and then pen up. The pen will be lifted up, and then set pen size. Where is it? Send pen color. That's where send pen size. Yeah, this one. Okay, and drag and drop. Okay, these are all will be same for these all shapes as well. Same pen up and this one. Okay, we can just duplicate it as well. Anyways, you can do that as well. Drag and drop. And over here, the pen size will change to 3, and this will be 3 as well because that would be little too small. Okay, 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 okay. Give me a few seconds. Okay, now as earlier discussed, this was a circle, right? For this circle, we are going to continue our coding, which will be slightly different from others. Okay, we need to repeat in our control. Repeat. We're going to use this loop, right? Just like a forever loop. We were learning this is also an loop, and we are going to define the shape of our, that how much longer it should, in which way it should repeat itself. The circle is about 360 degree angle, so it should repeat it like this way. And for our beat, for the square shape, it will be 4 because it has 4 sides. Okay, and okay, it doesn't matter, it has 4 sides, but for our triangle as well, we can have 4 sides. Though it's 3, but it's not 4 sides, that's okay. It's angle actually. Anyways, this is not size, it's only angle. Okay, for our, what do you say? Let's move on to our motion circle. Yeah, as I was saying, circle, we are going to move our circle to step one only. That will be one is enough. And then we are going to use turn. Turn to this direction, okay, to the right one. And to how many degrees? Oh, wow. You don't have to. Just a second. Okay, I'm having internet connection issue. I can carry on later. No, it's fixed. Anyways, where were we? We were having okay, okay. We have to turn our circle. And why am I'm not playing this? It's already moving because we haven't defined the circle yet, right? We haven't done the coding, so this this is moving in circle. Okay, and for the square, we are going to have a little okay, a different coding. Okay, and for the square, we have repeat. We are going to use move, and we are just going to drag and drop. Oh, this always does to me, anyways. Uh, I'm not good because I don't use the mouse. I use the mouse pad. I don't use the mouse actually, so it gives me trouble. I do have mouse, but I don't use it. I'm not on my laptop, anyways. I'm silly. Okay, we are going into our control actually, and we are going to make it wait and wait for like zero point 0.5 seconds, not too much. 1 second is too much. 0.5 seconds would be enough. Yes, we are defining that because at one angle it has to wait when it's done or something. I'm not really good at explaining this. It needs, for the change shape. It's all about square. We're doing it. You will learn. You will know when you see it's making it. Anyways, for the now same, we are going to do turn, and we're going to turn it to the right side, and we're going to drag and drop, and we are going to change the degrees to 90 degrees. Okay, that would be 90 degrees, and then we're going to go back and wait, and we'll change. That would again be our zero point 0.5. Let's just do this one. Okay, this was done for our, circle, square, and the third one would be again go to motion, select this and drop, and we are going to do this one. Okay, stop it. Stop playing it. I'm not playing it already. 100, and then we're going to go in control. We're going to make it wait. Okay, fine. Just drag and drop here, and we're going to do it for same. Oh, sorry, 0.5, same, and then we are going to make it turn and turn. I just don't need this one, and but not 15 degrees. It's too much. Oh, I mean too less. We're going to make it 120 degrees for our triangle. Okay, it's an angle. It's how defined, right? You better know your math. And then we are going to go in events again. Oh, sorry, in control again, and we are going to drag and drop our weight and change it to 0, 0.5. Yeah, that's better now. Okay, these are done for the pen, what a pen has to do. But it's not done yet. We have much more in this way. What we are going to do is we are going to go back in our, yeah, when I receive this one. This, we're going to start another coding, which is when I receive. Okay, we're just going to keep this one. Stop other scripts in Sprite. Okay, that would be, where is it? Variables, I guess. Yeah, here in control, not in variable. Stop other descriptions, right? We are going to make it stop. Okay, erase all. In pen, we'll go erase all. Oh, again, this is the same issue. Okay, and now pen up. Later on, we are going to use our some definitions of the size of the gliding, right? So it's like we are going to go sensing. Where is it? No, not in sensing. I'm sorry. In motion. We are going to glide it. Okay. Yeah, this is perfect. Glide 1 seconds to yeah x and y, not to random position. This one, and we are going to repeat it like duplicate. How many times would be better? Glide it for like one to that would be 5 times. Duplicate. Oh well, it's 4 times. Yeah, just one more. We don't need to do that. And we're going to. Oops, where did it go? Yeah, perfect. Now we are going to define all this differently. These will remain the same. 1 second. Okay? It has to glide, it has to change. What we're going to do is minus 136 by minus. See, the pen is gliding. So we have to define some positioning for the gliding, right? And for the next one, we can go for 10 by how much? Minus 41 should be the same. Minus 41, ouch. A mosquito was biting me. It's hard to work on the computer and doesn't let us uh, concentrate anyways. This would be like 10 and by let's go for it 70, that would be okay. And let's go with this one, should be gliding like let's go for 129 and we'll see about this by 70 as well. We're going to make it gliding. And let's go 132 by the last one would be 135. Yeah, 135. There's some of these are in negative, negative values, and some of them are in this. Okay, there's a reason, okay, because it has to glide that way. Anyways, now we will go to our circle and remember our circle is message 1 from here as defined 360. So this is done for our pen. We are going to go for our circle now. This is a circle, I guess. No, this is, yeah, this is our circle. It always shows up here. Yeah. Okay. Now what a circle has to do. Obviously, when it is clicked, it will start. Then we can go back to, that's a sound. Anyways. Okay, we are going to go in looks and we are going to drop show. It's going to show and we're going in motion and it's going to define our, we're going to define the position for x and y. That would be this, and let's just change these. It's too much, too big. 8 by that would be for minus 115. Okay, let's just do, let's just do, should be one up, one should be negative. Okay, now we can go back in when the sprite is clicked. Okay, broadcast message and broadcast message, which one? Message 1. This was our circle message 1, right? Oh, sorry. We are going to select. Let's name this. Message 1, message, message 2. No, we don't need that. Message 3. It's going to give a message, right? Ouch. Hmm. Okay. Alright, where were we? We were on site. Okay, message 1. We have all three messages now. And this is a message 1. And when backdrop switches to backdrop 1, okay, let's just do this one. Blue sky, we can do that. Blue sky. It should go with another thing. It would be height. It will vanish, right? We're going to use height. Where is height? Yeah, that's it. This is for our circle. Let's go to our square and let's do our coding for square. That would be when flag is clicked, events over here, drag and drop. Just, I need to be quick with these. I'm going to define. I'll just do -131. That would be easy. This should be in negative as well. 120. That would be fine. We're going to go in looks. We're going to show our shape. It should show. Okay, then we're going to go pen. Why are we using pen? Because we need to set it, right? Erase all for the, okay, yeah, fine. And then would be a pen. Set pen, sorry. Set pen size. That is this one, I guess. Yeah, we are going to change the size. And we can also change the color, set pen color. You can select any other color if you want. Let's just go with this one. Or you can change the color pen as well. For the square, when the sprite is clicked, okay, we are going to go with broadcast message, and that would be our second message. Broadcast message where the, okay, broadcast this one, okay, and we can just drop it here. Message 2, and I'm just doing something silly actually. Oh no, it's fine. Yeah, okay, let's just continue. When backdrop touch switches to, we're going to do it here. We don't need to attach this one. This is a separate coding. We can do it for, and we're going to go with the height. Where is the height? It's going to change, and we're going to change it to blue sky. That's done for our square. Oh, it's already start making it. Okay. Anyways, now we go back. We're going to go to our triangle, and let's start with our triangle. We're going to repeat the same coding, and we're going to go when flag is clicked, show and looks. My video is getting, alright, no problem. Show, and we're going to go in motion. We're going to define this positioning, and we're going to change the dimensions here. 137. Let's do it this way, and that would be negative. One should be negative for this triangle. Again, in events, when this sprite is clicked, broadcast message. I'm going to message 3. Oh, please. Okay, when backdrop switches to, just have to put it Yeah. Blue sky, anything you can say. We are going to go back and look, and this is, yeah, height. Just drag it up this way. Looks like I did some mistake. Let's see the coding of the star. Okay, I said pen down, pen up. This is wrong over here. These three should be pen down. Silly me. What I did was totally wrong. We're just going to remove this. We're going to use pen down. Same with this one. Pen up was for only that. Sorry about that. Yeah, that's better now. That's why my pen was not making shape or color and something was wrong. Anyways, pen down. Okay. I was noticing some issues. And for this, we're going to use pen up. Yeah, that's better now. Yeah. See, I used pen up over here. Again, pen up. I don't need a pen up. Ugh, what the hell is it doing to me? Only pen down. Okay, so it's I accidentally choose this. This has to be deleted. Yeah, delete block. Better now. See, circle. It's visible now. The color is now showing. For square, for triangle, better. Okay, is it going to do anything? Triangle, better. S- It was a little bit lower, so angry. Change the side. Yeah, better. And for the square, now better. Okay, so this is the coding we have done for our shapes. So for the next button, we're going with the next button now. Let's go. Where's the next button? This is a square, circle, triangle, and next button. Okay, for next button, we are going to continue and we are going to code for this. We are going to go for event. When we click on this, switch backdrop, switch backdrop to, let's suppose, blue sky. We're going to define some motion. We are going to go for random. Not for random, actually. Let's go with the 213 or any random numbers we'll see later with the work. 145. Let's suppose this. When this sprite is clicked, start. Okay, it should be in events actually. When this sprite is clicked, erase all. Where is it? Pen. Erase all. Pen up. Here we will use pen up. Okay, and switch black drop to. Sorry. Switch black drop to blue sky. Okay. Random background. Let's choose random. Oh, okay, just keep the same one. It doesn't matter. We're too. Oh, what the hell is going on? Okay, fine. That's for our square. Where did all the buttons go? Did I press hide? accidentally. Oh yeah, sure. Okay, better now. It looks a little bit bigger. Anyways, this is neat and clean. Ah, what is it doing to me? Show, show, show. Better. Next. Since there is no pudding yet over here, leave that. Okay, it has ruined it now. Something is wrong. Let me fix it first. Okay, we got our backdrop again. Better not mess up. Alright, so we are done with this. Let's make this one. Then we're going to make circle. Going to make a triangle. Let's stop this for a while now. And we have more things to do. We will have a stop button. So I'll just go to this one. Do we have a stop button? Stop sign? Yeah, we do have. For our next, let's just do the coding here. And we need one more thing that would be as per. Oh, just keep it here for now. And we will need a cloud. Just going to name it cloud. Okay. On next button, these will be shown. Don't worry. We're just placing it here right now. Okay, for our cloud. Okay. Let's go with our stop button first. We will just go with our stop button. We need another stage, by the way. No, blue six. We need to add more stages here for our backdrop. We are going to create our own backdrop. Never mind, just put this one right here. And I'm going to add one more. Well, see? I'm just playing with it. Anyways, we are going to change it, okay? Anyways, backdrop one, backdrop. We need only, yes, that will be fine, okay? This is better. For next, or just leave this one, we'll have a simple one. Just go with the simple one, would be plain one, would be blue sky. Backdrop one would be our blue sky. Okay, we have blue sky 2 and blue sky 1. Okay, we have two backdrops now. For our this one, we need that. Just remove this first. Yeah, we have two of these right here. And we're going to code it and we'll change it anyways. Okay, let's go with that right now. Uh, oh, alright. When dog suggest to post that. Okay. Stitch. Okay, what the hell am I doing right now? Okay, we were on the stop button. And on the stop button, first we'll do something we need to do. We'll just go back to our events. When sprite is clicked, hide, show. When flag is clicked, let's go first hide. We're going to show it later. Hide. When backdrop switches to let's suppose blue sky to show. See, this is going to change, and we are going to show. This is how. So our backdrop are actually, let me see, backdrop 2 will be this one, yes? Okay, yeah, where did it do? Yeah, blue sky 2, yeah, that's perfect. Okay, we're going to show. And when the sprite is clicked, when the sprite is clicked, broadcast, okay, uh, we are going to add a new message that would be, okay, just press radio, I don't know. Okay, we're just going to start. Okay, see? Ugh, this is why I'm not getting it. Why this is being. I'm not doing that on purpose and it's irritating me. I haven't done anything. Okay, blue sky. I've done something. For square, yeah. And even for circle, I did something wrong. Yeah, yeah, better now. And for triangle, blue sky too. That's better now. That's done. Okay, we are not done with this. Okay, first, just stop. This one we're going to vote for cloud as well. And for cloud, we are going to go with our red flag just clicked. Okay, hide. We're going to play hide and seek. These all codes. When backdrop switches to our, oh, sorry, events, when backdrop switches to our two, it should show, right? It should show on our second. Ah, my laptop battery is dying. Let me charge it. Okay, dokie. Yeah, better now. Next is when this sprite is clicked. We are going to make sure when this sprite is clicked, we're going to broadcast a message, right? Broadcast LF. Okay, let's just. Okay, we're going to do on next. Okay, that's neat, I guess. Okay, now what we do is Next button, where the hell is that? What did I do exactly? Switch when flag display, switch to blue sky, and because we are going to change it to blue sky too. Yeah, I think that's better now. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, one thing is remaining. Let's just do this. We're going to add text over here if we want. We can stop doing that. It's already defining the shape. See, we can make it over here in our costumes. Okay. Again, some internet connections. There's one thing we have to do is like we have to select this one. Oh, please stop it. And we have to code it over here. We are going to code when backdrop switches to blue sky. Where is it? When backdrop switches to will be blue sky too. Okay, fine. This is for our backdrop stage, and then we're going to go with the backdrops, and we're going to define a shape over here. This is the way I'm going to make. Not really. Okay, we can do that. Okay. I think that's enough. Oh, silly me. I'm going to erase a bit. Oops. No. Oh, didn't. Oh well. Anyways, I don't need to fill it. Stop it. Okay, we're just going to make the shape continue. This is it, I guess. Okay, I'm not that perfect, but yeah, done. And we're going to shape something. No, not this. Let me just. Cool. It changed the color. I did. Oh, too much. How about this one? I'm just changing the shape. Okay, fine. Yeah, now better. Look what I did. I wanted to color the outline of it. What does this do? No, don't convert. Oh, God. Too bad. I messed it up. That's better. Ooh, it's already doing that. This one's not very nice. I'm not good at drawing, by the way. Shh. Wow. Just messy. Anyways, I'm not good at drawing this one. Just rub it on. Just a second. Let's just make sure. It's driving me nuts, by the way. Not really. I didn't make it good. See, my shape is really messed up. Anyways, it's a cloud. Backdrop. I need it to be filled. What is it doing to me? Just paint it. I'm just going to make it a bit highlighted. Let's just do this. Okay, it's better now. Oops. No, my project is a little bit messy. See, I told you I'm not good at drawing. Just erase this again. Try a bit slow. Okay, fine. Never mind. It's done already. Loose alkaline. Oh, it's not going to do anything anyways. Oh wow. stop messing up my internet. Oh, never mind. Oh, try that later on. I just wanted to position it somewhere else. See, it should be a little lower. This should be a little lower. Ah, never mind. You can decrease the size of the cloud. Can you do that? You can shape it up. No, stop playing with it. Alright, let's go back to our code. And just need to stop it. Just give me a moment again. Let's just go back. Let's just play. Next. Stop it. Backdrops. Oh, sorry. There's some problem in our backdrop. We're going to select our backdrop again. Backdrops. Okay, let's just let it be white. I was thinking to show the color. But now black or something. Anyways, let's just go back. We wanted to position it a little lower. Let's go back to our circle. Oh, this one, the next one. This shouldn't show it to anymore. We can hide it when it's on the second one, right? So we can go on to our next button. Switch. Anyways, we're done with our. Let me go to here. We just click on this one. Is it start button? Okay, we are just good. So let's not just make it more lengthy. I'm already very tired. Well, I will. I was failed to make a good position. Okay. Where were we? I made a little messy. I could paint it inside a little blacker, but no need. Nothing. That's it for today. We can share it as well with people. I'll change it to geometry something. Geometry rides, geometry shapes, whatever. Geometry rides. Save the project with this name. And yeah, I think we are done for today. It's already a long video to understand the same because it was in a project a little bit longer. So we are good to go. We'll see again. Square, circle. Oh, lol. What the hell is it? It just messed up. Just anyways, that is done, and we already made it like that way. So our project is completed. It was supposed to be like this. We could write it over here, but I failed to make this thing. I failed to make this actually exactly this, but it wasn't neat. But yeah, we did it. Anyways, thank you for watching, and hope to do another project really soon. Thank you. Bye bye. Like and subscribe. Cheers.